What if I told you your thoughts are literally reshaping your brain? Sounds crazy, right? But it's pure neuroscience. Every thought you have reinforces neural pathways that shape your emotions, decisions, and even your physical health. When you tell yourself, "I can't do this," or "I'm not good enough," your brain takes it as fact, triggering stress responses that keep you stuck. But here's the game changer. Your brain doesn't know the difference between real and imagined experiences. So, if you start shifting your self-talk to "I am capable" or "I can handle this," your brain begins rewiring itself to align with that belief. This process, called neuroplasticity, is how habits form, skills develop, and confidence grows. Think of it like walking a path through tall grass. The more you walk it, the clearer it becomes. Your thoughts work the same way. The more you repeat them, the stronger they get. And it's not just your mind at play. Your body responds too. Negative thinking raises stress hormones and weakens your immune system, while positive self-talk does the opposite, lowering stress, boosting heart health, and increasing resilience. Here's the catch. Your brain resists change at first. Rewriting thought patterns might feel weird or even fake, but that discomfort isn't failure. It's proof that your brain is adapting. Just like muscle soreness after a workout, it's a sign of growth. Stick with it, and what once felt forced will become second nature. You're not just thinking differently, you're physically rewiring your brain and body for success. So, do you want to rewire your brain for success? Here's how you start. Morning mindset reset. Before your feet hit the floor, place your hand on your heart. Take 3 deep breaths and set your intention for the day. Today, I create my future. Today, I step into my highest potential. Feel it. Your brain and body will respond. Catch and reframe throughout the day. Notice negative self-talk. Don't fight it, just replace it. Instead of "I can't do this," say "I am capable," and I adapt easily to challenges. Every time you do this, you're rewiring your brain. Nighttime reinforcement. Right before bed. When your subconscious is most impressionable, affirm your progress. Every day, I am rewiring my brain for success. My mind and body are transforming. Why this works? According to science, your thoughts aren't just thoughts, they're blueprints. Every time you repeat a belief, your brain strengthens the neural pathways associated with it. This is neuroplasticity in action. Negative self-talk floods your body with stress hormones like cortisol, keeping you in survival mode. But intentional, empowering self-talk triggers dopamine and serotonin, neurochemicals linked to confidence, focus, and well-being. This isn't just about thinking positively. It's about using scientific principles to reprogram your brain and body for success. The 3-day challenge. For the next 3 days, commit to this practice. Keycap 1 morning activation. Breathe deeply. Affirm your strength. I am capable. I am strong. I create my future. Keycap 2 midday reset. Catch self-doubt and reframe it. I am learning. I am growing. I am getting better every day. Keycap 3 evening reinforcement. Reflect on a win and affirm. I am proud of myself. My future is already forming. Your thoughts shape your reality. Your brain filters the world based on the beliefs you feed it. Start speaking to yourself with the confidence of someone who has already won, because when you do, your mind and body will align to make it real. Are you ready to put this into action? Rewiring your brain. The science of transformational self-talk. Your thoughts aren't just random words floating in your mind. They're biochemical signals that shape your brain, influence your emotions, and ultimately determine your reality. The way you speak to yourself isn't just a habit. It's a neurological process that can either reinforce old patterns or create entirely new pathways. And the best time to reprogram your mind? When your brain is most receptive, right after waking up, in the middle of the day, and before sleep. Let's break it down. The moment you wake up, your brain is in a unique state. In the first 20 minutes after sleep, your brainwave activity is in the theta and alpha range, a window where your subconscious is highly programmable. This is why your first thoughts in the morning set the tone for your entire day. Instead of reaching for your phone or letting stress flood in, try this. Place your hand on your heart. This simple action activates your parasympathetic nervous system, signaling safety and calm. Speak out loud. Today, I choose my future. Today, I rewire my brain for success. Every cell in my body is aligning with my highest potential. Feel the words. Emotion strengthens neural imprinting. You're not just repeating a phrase. You're giving your brain a biochemical experience that reinforces these new beliefs. Why does this work? Because when you engage in positive self-talk right after waking, you lower cortisol levels, reduce stress, and increase cognitive clarity. Your reticular activating system, RAS, the part of your brain that filters information, begins prioritizing thoughts and opportunities that align with your morning affirmations. By the afternoon, mental fatigue and stress can pull you back into autopilot mode. But here's the science. Between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m., your brain naturally enters another phase of plasticity, an ideal moment to reinforce the new neural pathways you started in the morning. Here's what to do. Take 5 minutes to move with intention. Walk, stretch, or stand tall. Your posture affects your brain's perception of confidence. Repeat empowering statements as you move. I am resilient. I am focused. I am in control of my thoughts. Challenge negative self-talk in real time. If you catch yourself thinking, this is too hard or I'm not good enough, stop and reframe. I am learning and growing. I find solutions easily. This isn't just about thinking positive. You're engaging in self-directed neuroplasticity, the process of physically rewiring your brain through intentional thought. And the key? Repetition. The more you reinforce new beliefs, the stronger the neural connections become. Between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m., your brain enters a phase of consolidation, meaning it organizes and stores information from the day. This is why evening self-talk is crucial. It determines what your brain prioritizes overnight. Let's see how your words reshape your cells. Your body is a chemical factory, and your self-talk is the command center. Here's what happens at a cellular level when you speak to yourself with intention. Heart-brain coherence. Speaking affirmations while feeling gratitude synchronizes your heart rhythms and brain waves, reducing stress and increasing cognitive function. Neurotransmitter shift. Positive self-talk releases dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin, reinforcing motivation, well-being, and connection. Epigenetic influence. Studies in epigenetics show that thoughts and emotions can influence gene expression. When you repeatedly tell yourself, I am capable, your body begins producing proteins that align with confidence and resilience. Quantum biology. Your cells vibrate at frequencies influenced by emotions. Fear and doubt lead to cellular stress, while confidence and joy promote healing and regeneration. Feel these words. Let them anchor into your nervous system. The world responds to the energy you bring. The moment you commit to this practice, your brain, body, and reality begin to shift. This isn't just about changing thoughts, it's about changing everything. And it starts now.